Hello everyone, I Dr. Sonam Arora, Assistant Professor, LJ Integrated MBA. Welcome you to the next session of Subject Banking and Insurance, Semester 9, Finance Specialization. Today we are going to discuss about the relationship between banker and customer. So, now have a look at the definition of bank. Banker include a body of person who carries on the business of banking. Now there is no proper definition of banker in any law, either in India or outside India. So we can conclude it like a banker is a person who accept deposit from public, who grant loans and advances, who issue and pay a check, and who collect checks from his customer. Now look at the definition of a customer. A customer is one who has an account with the bank or who utilize the services of a bank. So on this basis, the customer are divided into following type. The first one is existing customer. So you are having your account in PNB Bank, you are the existing customer of PNB. You had an account in a PNB Bank, it means you are a former customer from PNB. You can use your account for the services, then your account is a customer for services. And when a bank is trying to convert you in a customer, then you are a potential customer. There is one another account, that is a no-frill account. It means you are not having any single amount in your bank account. Your bank account is a zero balance bank account, that is called as no-frill account. The example is a Jan Dhan Yojana account. It is not compulsory for you to put amount or minimum balance in your account in Jan Dhan Yojana. These type of accounts are called as no-frill account. Now have a look at a relationship between a banker and customer. Now when we talk about the relationship between banker and customer, there are two type of relationship. One relationship is a very general relationship, that is a relationship of a debtor to creditor or creditor to debtor. And the second type of relationship is a specific relationship which depend from banker to customer, like a relationship of a trustee or a bailee. Now in this particular session, we are going to discuss about the general relationship. Now the first general relationship is relationship of debtor to creditor. When you open a bank account, customer fill and sign the account opening form to enter into an agreement. Thus the relationship between a banker and a customer is always a contractual relationship. When the customer deposit money in their account, the relationship between banker and customer become the relationship of debtor and creditor. Now here the bank is a debtor and you as a person is a creditor. The amount deposited become the bank's liability toward the customer and hence he become the debtor to the depositor, or we can say the debtor to a person who deposit that amount. The banker can use that amount for any purpose. Of course that purpose is as per the legal responsibilities of RBI, with the information as to use that money to the depositor. Now bank is liable to use that money properly. The bank is able to invest that money somewhere which is as per the course of action decided by RBI. Now the second type of relationship is of a creditor and debtor relationship. So when as a person you take a loan or advances from a bank, the relationship is of a creditor and debtor. Now here the customer become the debtor and the banker become a creditor. Customer borrows money from the bank by executing a contract with the terms and condition offered by the bank, and mostly these terms and condition include the collateral, which is called as a security and a guarantee you put to the bank on the behalf of the loan amount. The customer as a debtor are obliged to repay the loans and advances as the terms and condition decided in the contract. Now basically we are able to understand two relationships. One is a relationship of debtor to creditor and second is a relationship between a debtor to creditor. Now in our next session we are going to discuss about the special relationship between banker and customer. Till then, keep safe, stay safe. Thank you.